We have bring the armor tanker down today now. Ijele, come out and explain to the people. Come out and explain to the people. And they're gonna watch the video for them to confirm that those that do doesn't cap. We are the men on ground. We are not a terrorist, and we can never be a terrorist in our homeland. We destroy the armor tanker today. We conquer them today. Let them come out and explain. If they are doubting it, let them come out and explain. A slave ones that are calling themselves Igbos, was that their mother got their pregnant through Alhajis, Fulani in North, that have been fighting their own brothers with a Boko Haram swamp ISIS in uniform. They are not ashamed of themselves. That I am wanted by the Nigerian government. It is Ikunege that is wanted by the Nigerian government. How can I be wanted by the so-called business center called themselves in Nigeria? Turn down your generation there. Turn down where no get brother, where no get father. Fire your generation there. Come and get me now. If live mad, sick human being. We have bring the armor tanker down today now. Ijele, come out and explain to the people. Come out and explain to the people, and they're gonna watch the video for them to confirm that those that do doesn't cap. We are the men on ground. We are not a terrorist, and we can never be a terrorist in our homeland. Look at what is happening in Enugu. Peter Mba has become a Muslim. Since he become a Muslim, Enugu have turned upside down. Look at how Fulani has been moving around, massacring people, killing husbands, and making our women widows. Please, what leaders should give a listening ear to our cry? Now we are on our own. These people brought war to us, and we can run for the war. We face the war, and thank God today we are winning the war. Dear friends, we are winning the war.
That's okay, brother. You can make a mathematical caterpillar, they be able. No question. I did to you too. Only Papa Abakeriga. Other rock. Pilot on your caterpillar or endo, Quajoku. Pilot on your the caterpillar or dendo. Show word. But I'm bush a lot of caterpillar navy. Mkoya braga. You know your brother myself, we can mother to know Jared Yama. You know about Abadisham or Akonoko, and Tamim Nokoton Abadishare. Wizard, did you wizard day grave? Otobo betray Mazin and the Carlo. Confirm what a caterpillar got here on a caterpillar grago. It's about war. Again, I gave her a uniform, you can guess about war. Ritonala, get your bow, get your money will do, Nishu wash it with Ritonala. Ritonala, where Baba Facey, it's not total Facey. Facey had a total, much harder or little. And what I walk it. Nobody do you. I'm more to rope. Young brother, another fear you. Otobo. You say, Web. Men opera caterpillar, caterpillar boss. Men I beg better caterpillar than I guess you just set or trap. You can't trap it without one. We do it. I'm not a cassette or trap. I get your caterpillar, because you man a caterpillar day to you too. You know what set or trap. I'm what you do, I'm what all you to I'm what the butaya, or is it to it too? Caterpillar is it to it, or net to it, Abulaga. If live.
My people, please disregard any Utobo FM news. FM without battery. That they are buying soldiers. It's a lie. Because useless people. No mindable. They don't circulate voice notes, say they don't buy soldiers, they don't buy soldiers. This is 626 today. This is 626. Let me show you. I can hear the sound. You can see this is 626. As you can see, 626. I'm in front of Odumeje's house. This is Odumeje's house. We are the night. We are the megad of Odumeje. I want to do the bell off. We are the megad of Odumeje now. So, where did they buy the soldiers? Let them show you any photo or video of any soldiers they buy. Also, if also don't mind them. Just making up stories. Audio Republic, audio country, Ndoshi. You buy with soldier. They are saying it just for you to keep on giving them the money. See them now. Odumeje will be their post. Now they are big post. Now their headquarters be this. See them. Now be their outside of the Valley office. Their #1 head office. Now be this. The other side na Odumeje father house. You see them. I've told them dates. Date 24th of September 2026. 24th of February. Na hunger. I never chops this morning. 24th of February 2026. And the current time is 4:28. See it on my phone here. 8. See it. So don't mind Umuoshi, Tobo. They did what? Now shame they catch them because they know say this video go soon come out for social media. That they say they buy soldiers, they do this one. Those Shubu Tobo. Nobody Odumeje has to be this. Umuewu.